Hello, my name is Putri Shinta. I am a student in the mathematics education at the University of Jember. Here, we will learn about graph theory. Please watch the video until the end.
I will discuss theory graph. The first discussion is the history of graphs. Graph theory originated from the classic Königsberg Bridge problem in 1736 in the city of Königsberg. The problem was, is it possible to cross the 7 bridges connecting the mainland and the island on the Priegel River exactly once each and return to the starting point? A Swiss mathematician, L. Euler, successfully solved this problem. Euler modeled the problem in the form of a graph, where the mainland was represented as a point or node, and bridges and represented as lines or edges. Euler's conclusion was, it is impossible to make the desired journey because the degree of each node is not even. The degree is the number of lines connected to a node. In this model, 3 nodes have a degree of 3 and 1 node has a degree of 5. Definition graph. A graph G is defined as a pair of sheets VE with the notation G equal VE, where V is a non-empty set of vertices or nodes, and E is a set of edges or arcs connecting pairs of vertices. For example, here there is V that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and E 1 and 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4. Types of graphs. Graphs are divided into 2 types. The first is based on the presence or absence multiple edges of loops. What is meant by multiple edges and loops? So, 2 or more paths connecting the same pair of vertices are called multiple edges, whereas a path connecting a vertex to itself is called a loop. So based on whether or not there are graphs, they are divided into 2. 1. Simple graph. Simple graph is a graph that has no loops or multiple edges, for example as below. Then the second, non-simple graph. Non-simple graph is a graph that has multiple edges or loops. Non-simple graph is divided into 2. 1. Multigraph is a graph that has multiple edges, and pseudograph is a graph with loop. The second type is based on the directionality of the edges. The first, undirected graph, is a graph whose edges do not have directional orientation. Then the second, directed graph, is a graph in which each edge is assigned a direction. Next, we will discuss graph terminology. Terms that are often used in graphs are as follows. 1. Adjacent is 2 vertices are said to be adjacent if they are connected by an edge. Example below, node 1 is adjacent to nodes 2 and 3. Node 1 is not adjacent to node 4. 2. Incidence is an edge is said to be incident with a vertex if it connects the vertex to another vertex. Example, edge 2, 3 is incident to vertex 2 and vertex 3. Edge 2, 4 is incident to vertex 2 and vertex 4. But edge 1, 2 is not incident to vertex 4. 3. Isolated vertex is a vertex that has no adjacent edges. Example, vertex 5 is an isolated vertex. And the last, degree. Degree is the number of edges incident to the vertex. The degree of a vertex with a loop is counted as 2. Basic concept in graphs. First, path is a path in a graph is a sequence of distant vertices. Then the second, a circuit is a closed path, namely a circuit that does not have repeated sides but may have repeated node points. And the last, shortest path is a path from S to T that has the fewest possible edges. Example of the application of graphs in everyday life. 1. Carbon compound isomers. Carbon compound isomers are depicted as graphs, with atoms as points and bonds between atoms as lines. 2. Electrical circuit. Electrical circuits are modeled as graphs, with electrical components as points and wires as lines. And 3. Food chains in biology. Food chains are represented as graphs, with organisms as points and energy flow as lines. And 4. Transportation and shortest spot. Creating digital maps and navigation systems such as Google Maps to find the shortest route. That's all I can say. See you in the next video.